Why do I need to reprogram my key fob after a battery replacement?
Hello there. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing why you need to reprogram your key fob after a battery replacement. Key fobs have become an essential component of modern vehicle security systems, providing convenience and ease of access. However, when the battery in your key fob is replaced, it often requires reprogramming. But why is that? Let's dive in and find out.
The key fob and its functionality.
To understand why reprogramming is necessary after a battery replacement, let's first explore the functionality of a key fob. A key fob is a small, handheld device that wirelessly communicates with your vehicle to perform various functions. These functions may include locking and unlocking the doors, remotely starting the engine, opening the trunk, and activating the alarm system.
Encryption and security.
One of the primary reasons for reprogramming your key fob after a battery replacement is encryption and security. Key fobs use encryption algorithms to communicate securely with your vehicle. This encryption ensures that only your key fob can communicate with your specific vehicle, preventing unauthorized access. The encryption codes are stored in both the key fob and the vehicle's onboard computer system.
Battery replacement and memory loss.
When you replace the battery in your key fob, there is a temporary loss of power. This power interruption can cause the key fob's memory to be reset or corrupted. As a result, the encryption codes stored in the key fob may be lost or become mismatched with the codes stored in the vehicle's computer system. This mismatch prevents the key fob from communicating with the vehicle effectively.
Reprogramming the key fob.
To restore proper communication between your key fob and your vehicle, reprogramming is required. Reprogramming the key fob involves synchronizing the encryption codes stored in both the key fob and the vehicle's computer system. This process ensures that the two devices can communicate securely once again. The exact procedure for reprogramming your key fob after a battery replacement can vary depending on the vehicle's make and model. In some cases, you may be able to perform the reprogramming yourself by following specific instructions provided by the manufacturer. However, in other cases, it may be necessary to visit a dealership or an automotive locksmith who has the necessary equipment and expertise to reprogram your key fob correctly. In conclusion, reprogramming your key fob after a battery replacement is essential for maintaining the security and functionality of your vehicle's keyless entry system. The process ensures that the encryption codes stored in both the key fob and the vehicle's computer system are synchronized, allowing for secure and reliable communication. Remember, if you're unsure about the reprogramming process or encounter any difficulties, it's always best to consult the owner's manual of your vehicle or seek professional assistance. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of why key fob reprogramming is necessary after a battery replacement. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, drive safely and take care.